Hi, my name is Indira Schauwecker, International Artistic Director for toni&guy and also LABEL.M. Today we are here at the work studio shooting our new campaign shoot for LABEL.M 2018 and 19. And the look I created today is a take on of a mullet, but really pushing it to make it a little bit more contemporary, a little bit more modern, with the amazing tools of today, and obviously as well the right product to give a mullet a new take on. First of all, we really needed to see the condition of the hair. My model Violet has bleached her hair for many, many years. So the way we prepare the hair is with the Therapy protein cream to really nourish and give the hair the nutrition to the hair to give the shine. After that, we apply the Volume Mousse to contrast by giving a little bit more a drier and a powdery feel, but also allowing us the memory for us to give a movement into the hair. After that, we blow dry that off, a little bit more smoother, and afterwards, with our fingers, we then started to create a little bit more movement with some silver clips. So to finish that off, we then used our fashion edition wax spray of LABEL.M.